Today we are going to create a subdomain for blueintlab.com, and I'm going to give that subdomain name as demos.blueintlab.com. For the hosting, I'm using Hostinger. You can choose any other hosting provider according to your budget and need. Now go to website, then click on the manage button and search for subdomains. Now create a new subdomain, demos, and I'd like to create a custom folder for this subdomain. Create custom, and it's asking me the folder name, so let's use the same name, demos. Click create. Now it will take a few minutes to up and running that subdomain, and in the meanwhile we can create the database for our WordPress site. Go to database, click management. Here we are going to create the database for our demo site. Write the database name, demosdb, and MySQL name, and choose the password. Finally click on the create button. Our database created successfully. Let's check that. Our database has been created successfully, and now we are ready to install our WordPress site. So there are several ways to create WordPress site in your subdomain, but I'm going to show you the step-by-step guidelines and the most easiest way to install WordPress in your server. Go to wordpress.org and download the WordPress. Now back to your hosting account. Here you will get the file manager. Click on the file manager from here, and then we need to access all the files and folders. So it basically accessing all files and folders through your web browser. You can use the FTP softwares like FileZilla and others to access all your files. And then click on the domains, then public HTML, and here is our folder, demos. Right now displaying defaults. Just remove it, and we're going to click on the files. Alright, our download has been completed. Click on the zip file. Okay, it's done. Now we need to unzip in that folder. Click on right button and extract. Alright, the file has been extracted. Go to that folder. Now select all the folders from here, and let's move files to one folder up. Now we can remove that WordPress empty folder. We can also remove this zip file as well. We do not need that anymore. Now if we again visit to our website, which is demos.blueintlab.com, and click the refresh button, then SSL icon in here, and it's gonna display you all the options to install the WordPress site. Click the continue. We need to add the database information in here. The username also same, so you have to set the password in here, and database host is the same, localhost. We can change the table prefix to demos, or you can keep that WP underscore. Finally click on the submit button, and we are ready to go. Click the run installation, and the site name, username, let's choose admin_demos, and then password, the random password. And we're going to use one of our email address. Because it's a demo site, we do not need to encourage the search engine to track our website. Finally, click on the install WordPress. Save. Everything is done. Our WordPress is ready to go. And now we can log into our WordPress site. There we go. A WordPress version installed to its latest 6.4.1. Now if we go to the front end of the site, everything is working perfectly. We can edit the site. We can save the site. It is started working. Yahoo! Final thing we need to do, go to the settings, then click general. Here you can set your time zone. I am living in UTC +3 time zone, and let's change the date format to date, month, year, and the time format looks good. Start weeks from Monday, and click the save changes. Then go to permalink settings, and let's set that SEO friendly permalink. Click the save, and everything is good to go. Here's some sample posts. We can edit this post, add some contents. Hello world from WordPress. If we click the post, hello from update. This is it. Now you know how to create a subdomain using the Hostinger. I will put the link in the description box so you can check their hosting service. I have been using the Hostinger almost 3 years and I'm really happy with their service. So for the WordPress website, Hostinger is highly recommended. Thanks for watching.